Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to cover how to stake your money or your crypto in Coinbase. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into Coinbase. Currently I am logged in, but I'll refresh the page so you can see it's up to date live right now. And then what you're going to want to do is scroll down to the area where it says For You, and you're going to click this little icon here. And now Coinbase has kind of changed a little bit, but it used to be under the rewards section, but now it's under the For You section when you're using a desktop. You're going to come up here and click on Get More Crypto. Once you're done there, you can see the different rewards you can earn by yielding and staking your money into these coins. For example, with Cosmos or Atom, you can earn 5% annually by staking your money into this coin. Scrolling down, you can see Tezos 5%, Algorand 6%, and DAI or Day 2%. And in today's video, I'm going to actually stake some of my money into these different coins just so you can see what that looks like. So let's go ahead and buy some Atom. Now I currently have Atom saved in my Ledger, which is my cold storage wallet. And as you can see down here, let me just open up my Ledger right now. You will see that I have about 96 Cosmos, 96.68. I store my Cosmos here because I do have over $2,000 in them, and I don't feel comfortable leaving my money in a place like Coinbase when it becomes more than $1,000. So then I transferred everything to my Ledger device. So if you're interested in a cold storage physical device, I'll put a link down below where you can check out Ledger. But for today, I am going to buy some Cosmos so you can see the whole staking process. And earlier today, I deposited $50 into my Coinbase account just to show you how to do this. So if you don't have your actual money into your account yet, you'll go ahead and use this form here where it says pay with, and then it'll show your bank account name. If you missed my previous video where I showed you how to deposit funds in Coinbase, I'll link that right up here on the top. But if you have linked your bank account, you can go ahead and buy the crypto right here. So if you did want to buy using your bank account, you could input 10 or 100 or 1,000 or whatever you wanted to deposit to buy Cosmos to start earning those extra rewards. But for the sake of this, I'm going to convert from, and I put in $50, my USD coin into Cosmos. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down here until I find Cosmos, and I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to say I'm going to do $10 because I'm also going to do the same process for the other 3 coins so you can see how that works. So I'm going to say preview convert, and then it's going to show me all of the extra things that I have to make sure is correct. There is a $1 fee, but I'm okay with that, so I'm going to go ahead and click convert now. You'll make that $1 back no problem after you deposit some money and start earning those rewards. Order was submitted, going to click done. Now, when I head over to my Cosmos wallet, you'll see that I converted some money right here and that my balance just updated. So that's basically how you do it. So if you come back to the home page and you scroll down to the bottom, my current portfolio with the $100 is mostly with Cardano because they recently came out with, actually today, April 29th, they came out with a live video, and I'll put a link down below, of this deal that they did with people in Africa. So it's pretty awesome, and hopefully over the next couple of months the Cardano coin price will go up in value and make us people who have invested in them a lot of money. So if you click on the home page and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see that I did in fact invest in Cosmos, and that was success. So now I have 0.4096 Cosmos in my account. Let's go ahead and click on the For You, and I'll go ahead through the process again with a different coin so you can see how that works. Click on Get More Crypto. And if you notice that Coinbase is running a little bit slow, it's probably because a lot of people are starting to invest in Cardano because of the recent Africa deal. So if it is slow, don't worry about it. It's not normal, but I would assume that they're getting a lot of people depositing money because currently Cardano's around $1.30 per coin, and people are estimating that it's going to go up to about $10. So if that's something that is interesting to you, I recommend checking out the Cardano project and the Africa deal. I'll put a link down below in the description. So let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. I will buy some more Tezos, which has this XTZ code here. That's how you can find it in these different crypto exchanges. And I'm going to go ahead and convert my $10 more from, and I'm going to select the USD coin that I deposited earlier, and then I'm going to buy some Tezos. So let's scroll down this list and select Tezos. Preview the convert. It'll charge me another $1. So I really don't recommend doing this in small increments like this because you will have to pay $1 fee each time. So just keep that in mind if you are going to stake some of your fiat, your dollars into these different coins to earn some annual interest, that you'll probably want to do more than $10 at a time. Going through the convert process. And we are all set. Here's the transaction right here. And if we go back to my home page and scroll down to the bottom, we will see my portfolio now has 8.86 of it is with Tezos. Now the process is the same for the rest of the other two. I guess for the sake of this video, I will keep it to buying Algorand or ALGO. I won't do the DAI because 2% really isn't that great. But with this ALGO, it's 6%. So let's go ahead and buy $10 more worth of, or convert 10 of my USD into ALGO, or ALGO, however you say it, right here. Preview the convert. And once that is done, it'll pop up with a confirmation here. Looks good to me. Convert. Now, just so you guys know, I did actually spend my money doing this, and I lost $3 in fees because of it. So if you do want to support the channel for more videos just like this one, please give it a like and subscribe so that I can make more videos just like this one showing you exactly how to make extra money online from doing nothing. This is literally passive income. Scrolling down to the bottom, you'll see now I've got these 3 coins in my account. I still have $20 worth of the USD coin. And yes, I do have Cardano as well. And that's how you set up a stake in Coinbase in 2021. But this will probably work for the years to come because Coinbase will be around for a while. And before I close this video, I also wanted to make sure you were aware that you can earn money or free crypto just from learning about it. I showed a video previously on how to actually do this. But all you're going to want to do is come over here and click Earn Rewards. You come to this page, you can invite your friends so that when they deposit $100 and buy some Bitcoin, you will both get $10 in Bitcoin. And then down below, you can also see these different ways for you to earn some extra crypto in these new coins. But as you can see, I've earned $2 in CGLD, I've earned $3 in Forth, and $3 in the Graph, and a few others. So if this is something that's exciting to you, I highly recommend checking out my previous video where I actually went through one of these quizzes and showed you exactly what to do to earn the money. And that's basically it. Hopefully this video has been helpful and you learned how to stake some of your money into Coinbase and that you actually start earning an annual interest on your money. If this has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see everyone in the next video.